Nag-start na yung snow. Kukunin ko yung mga damit. Kukunin ko yung mga damit. Biglang nag-snow. Oh, gusto ko. It's your first time walking the snow.
Wow! Boy! Sige, tagbaw dong. Tagbaw. Sige pa. Play, play. So, I'm so lucky. This last New Year, so lang slow. Yay! Yay, it's playtime! It's so cool, yo.
Hello mga bada! So ito na, after 3 hours, ito na yung mga nangyayari sa labas. So hindi naman as in talaga marami yung snow compared to Tokyo and Hokkaido kasi nasa Fukuoka kami. So nowadays daw wala na masyado compares how many years na nakalipas, as in sobra daw talaga yung snow, baka nag-change climate or whatever. So anyway, mas maganda yun kasi ang lamig-lamig mga bada. Thank you for watching and see you next time.